Hi beauties, welcome back. I've been using the Beta-Panthenol repair cream from Some By Me for a few weeks now, and I must say, I'm impressed. This facial cream doesn't just promise moisture, it delivers it without any hint of irritation. It forms a protective barrier over the skin, keeping it hydrated for hours on end. What sets this cream apart is its impressive lineup of ingredients. With 12 types of peptides, betaine, shea butter, and Cardamus tinctorius seed oil, it's a powerhouse formula designed to repair damaged skin and enhance elasticity. The star players, beta-sitosterol and D-panthenol at 5%, work wonders by providing immense moisture that lasts up to 100 hours. As someone with sensitive skin, I truly appreciate that this cream is vegan, cruelty-free, and non-comedogenic. It's specifically recommended for those with sensitive, dry, or damaged skin, making it a versatile option for many skincare concerns. While I adore the lightweight, non-greasy texture of this cream, I must note that it might not be suitable for oily and combination skin types due to its richness. However, for those with normal to dry skin, it's a dream come true. The packaging, a standard-sized blue plastic jar, is functional, though the absence of a spatula is a slight drawback. The cream itself has a medium-density texture and is scent-free, perfect for sensitive noses. Overall, I highly recommend the Beta-Panthenol Repair Cream for anyone seeking intense hydration and skin barrier repair. It's a game-changer in the world of skincare.